Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to see recently deleted pictures or videos on Samsung. The first thing you do is open up the gallery over here, tap on it, and then you can see pictures and stuff that I've taken out, the recently deleted ones. So at the bottom here, I tap on the three lines at the bottom, and then you can see options here. Tap on recycle bin, because when you delete stuff, most times it goes to your recycle bin if you've set it like that. Now I can see I have 33 images and 5 videos in my recycle bin. Now let's say I want to delete them all. I tap on three dots at the top right corner, tap on empty, and it all goes away immediately. But if I leave it there, it will still be available for the next 30 days. After 30 days, it will delete automatically. Unless there's anyone I want to restore. For example, I want to restore this particular one, I'll simply tap on it, and at the bottom here I can see the option for restore and delete. So I can choose restore, I can choose delete. If I click on restore, it will go back, be added back to my gallery. If I choose delete, it goes away. So I can decide to mark the ones I want to restore, and you can decide to restore them by clicking on restore. Now I don't want to restore anything actually, I don't want to delete them all. So what I do is I tap on all at the top there, it's all selected, and I click on delete all. Oh, don't forget you can also do it by clicking on empty at the top like we did before. So tap on delete, and that's it. No more pictures or videos. It's as simple as that. This is how to see recently deleted pictures or videos on Samsung.